You want me to forget you? Okay, forget me too. Tell me that you hate me, baby, I bet you do. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is a special version of more of just like an acoustic version of Forget Me Too by Machine Gun Kelly. So this was a request to teach it a very specific way. This is not the exact way that it's played, but you're probably getting to know that about me now, that I can't always make it sound exactly like someone else does. But I think this is a pretty good acoustic version. So please hit like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my videos. Please hit like and subscribe, even if you don't want to see more of my videos. And yeah, this is the way I'm going to show you is pretty easy. It's definitely easier than the way that that was requested, but I'm going to show you here how to do it. So yeah, let me know if you guys have other requests in the comments. If you have any questions or anything, more than happy to do what I can to help you out. All right. So for this song, standard tuning, no capo. You're going to start with C. So this version only has 4 chords. Well, maybe like a 5th one, but a 5th one a little bit. All right. So, but the 4 are here for most of the song, like 90% of it, maybe like 95%. And then I'm going to show you there's a couple spots where you use a different one. All right, but for most of the song, you're going to use C and then G. And I do this G just because it's really easy to go from C to G like that. Okay, and you're going to do E minor and then D. Okay, now because we're playing this acoustically, and I'll see if I can include a link to the video that was requested to teach it like. And also try commenting on their video and seeing if they can, they can teach you how to do it. I don't know if they'll do it or not, but I don't know what they do really, but it was a great cover. So yeah, so you're gonna do C, G, E minor, D for most of the song, almost all of it. So I'm gonna show you how to do, which chords you do, the chord progression and the strumming pattern for the different parts of the song. So stick with me through the video if you can. All right, so you do, you want to forget is C. You want me to forget you. And after you is where you do G. So it's you want me to forget you. See, like that. Okay, forget. And then the next forget is E minor. Forget me too. So on 2 you do D. 2. You tell me that you hate me. So hate me is C. Hate me, baby. Baby is G. Baby, I bet. So bet is E minor. Bet you do. Do is D. All right. So it goes like this. You want me to forget you. Okay, forget me too. You tell me that you hate me, baby. Yeah, I bet you do. Okay, so that's how you play the intro part of the song. That's also, I think you can play the chorus the same way. All right. Now in the video that they're doing, they kind of do a little bit of both. So in the chorus, they're doing that for like the first half of it, and then what they do is then they're like, after they do that for the first half, then they're doing. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is, so if you want to play that for the chorus, like they do, you'll do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, now very slowly on that. Okay, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's how you would do it for the chorus if you want. Okay, so then, and actually what you're gonna do after you do the intro part, you do, yeah, I bet you do. Okay, then you're gonna play like that for you're gonna play C, G, E minor, D, but you're gonna play it like that. So you're gonna do C, G, E minor, D, and then you're gonna stop and do, I saw you walking. So you would do, now you could do it two ways. You could either do it fast like that still and do, I saw you walk in the room, saw you walk in the room, and I tried my best. Okay, so you could do that, or you could just do single strums. All right, so it's kind of up to you, but I think more of what it is I saw you walk in the room and I tried my best. Okay, so that you do, C is I saw you walk in the room, room is G, room, and I tried my best. Best is E minor, best not to panic while I'm looking. Looking is D, looking for the back door. And you do C right before I. Smell the perfume. Perfume is G, perfume, and it's obvious. Okay, and you do, I'm gonna stay, and put my key is D, key in the bag more. You do C right before I can't. And you do G right before the third I can't. Can't pretend to forget. Forget is E minor, forget, you're the reason I punched. So you do punched is D, punched a hole in the back, in the wall back home. And after home you do C. And then, so then after the third, or right before the third and then, you're gonna do E minor. And then a couple hours later is D, later, and I would just do like a single strum or do that and then mute. Later, we're in room 29 at the chateau. Okay, and then for the pre-chorus part, you're gonna do C, I left. So you do same down, down, up, 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 down. So you do just here, you're just doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So you do I left. So you do C is I left. Left is G. Left before. 4 is where you do E minor. For you woke up. So woke up is D. Remember, 95% of the song, 98% of the song is just the same chord progression. C, G, E minor, D. Before you woke up, you do C after up. I don't is G. Don't feel right. Right is E minor. Right seems sober. So sober is D. Sober, you want me to forget you. Okay, forget me too. Okay, so that's how you'll play the chorus. Then you go right into the chorus. Now at the end of the chorus here, so you're gonna do, I'm keeping you waiting. So you do, on keeping you waiting. Waiting is C, waiting G. But I won't wait. Wait is E minor. Wait on you. Want me to, so, and then after you do D. You want me to forget you. Forget is C. Forget you. Okay. Forget. Okay, so what you're gonna do is slide from, you're gonna go from C, and then you're gonna bar, or you're gonna do C sharp minor, and then you're gonna go bar and do forget me too is gonna be barring on the 4th fret on the A string across, ring finger goes on the 6th fret, on the D string, pinky finger goes on the 6th fret on the G string, and then your middle finger, all right, goes on the 5th fret, okay, on the B string. Okay, forget me too. And then you're gonna go back into the second. You're gonna go to the second verse. Okay, so now you know how to play the second chorus. So far now you know how to play the whole song. And then when you get to the the whole song except for the bridge. When you get to the bridge, you're gonna do just hey you. So you do C, G, E minor, D. Okay, so you're just gonna do hey you. So C is hey, U is G. Tell me why. Why is E minor? Why you do the things. Things is D. Things is D. Things that make me hate you. So hate is C, hate you. All right, U is G, U. It's an emotional. Emotional is E minor. Emotional kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is D. Kaleidoscope when I face you. Okay, so face is C. So you can see there's a pattern here. Face you. Permanent. Permanent is E minor. Permanent calligraphy. Calligraphy is D. Calligraphy, I just tattooed. So you do tattooed, and then you do C sharp minor again on your name on me forever. Okay, so And then the very end of the song, you just end it on that C sharp minor if you want, or you could end it on a G if you want to. Anyway, that's how I play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for the request. See you next time. Bye.